Before you scroll away, pause for just a moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. Let the world wait for a second. This moment belongs to you. Have you ever felt like everything is moving too fast and you're barely keeping up? Like everyone else has the perfect plan and somehow you're still figuring out the first step? If that's you today, stay with me. I promise this is worth it. Some days, life feels heavy for no reason. Nothing has gone wrong. Yet there's this invisible weight on your chest. You wake up, go through the motions, and still wonder if what you're doing is enough. You scroll through social media, seeing people celebrate their wins, their achievements, their perfect lives. And slowly, you start to compare your quiet struggles to their loud successes. You tell yourself, I should be doing more. I should be better by now. I should have already figured this out. And before you know it, self-doubt begins to creep in, quietly replacing your peace of mind. As I start drawing these lines, notice how they seem random. Chaotic, like they don't belong together. At first glance, it looks messy, unplanned. Almost like it's going nowhere. But that's exactly how growth feels. No one tells you this part of the story. The part where things feel confusing, where progress isn't obvious, where effort seems invisible. We are taught to wait for motivation, to wait until we feel ready, to wait until inspiration finds us. But life doesn't work like that. Motivation comes after action. It comes after showing up, even when you don't feel like it, even when you doubt yourself, even when no one is watching. Just like this drawing, each line counts. Each stroke matters. Even if it looks random now, eventually, it forms something beautiful. And that's the lesson. You don't have to see the whole picture to make progress. You don't have to feel ready to start. You just need to begin. One line, one step, one small effort at a time. Right now, you might feel like your life is unfinished. Like something important is missing. Like you're trying, but the pieces aren't fitting yet. But what if you're not failing? What if you're exactly where you need to be in the middle of learning, in the middle of growing, in the middle of becoming stronger and wiser than you were yesterday? Look closely at the drawing now. The pattern is emerging. Not because every line was perfect, but because your hand didn't stop. Consistency is more powerful than perfection. Showing up is more powerful than speed. Every quiet effort matters. Every small attempt adds up. Even the days you feel like nothing is happening, even the times you feel stuck, you are moving forward. You are creating something bigger than yourself. If today all you did was try, that's enough. If all you did was show up, that's progress. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to be fearless. You just need to keep going. One small, gentle step at a time. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. Growth isn't loud. It isn't flashy. It's quiet, steady, and often invisible. And yet, it's happening even when you cannot see it. This drawing is like your life. At first, it's confusing, random, messy. But as you continue, line by line, effort by effort, it begins to make sense. And so will your life. Every struggle, every mistake, every quiet moment of trying is part of the bigger picture. Even if it doesn't feel like it right now, you are moving forward. You are growing. You are becoming exactly who you need to be. So if you've stayed with me until this point, know that you're doing better than you realize. Keep showing up. Keep trying. Keep drawing your lines. Keep moving forward. The picture isn't finished yet. And that's okay. You are enough. Your efforts are enough. Your story is enough. Take another deep breath in and let it out slowly. Feel the calm. Feel the patience. Feel the quiet power of just being here and doing what you can right now. Remember, even when it feels messy, even when it feels chaotic, every little effort is shaping something beautiful. Something that is yours. Something only you can create. Stay patient. Stay present. And keep going. Because your picture is still unfolding. And it's going to be more beautiful than you ever imagined.